Here we have a web path with 14 rollers in, and you can immediately start to get crucial information. For example, the span, so the length of the web between each roller, the wrap angle on each roller, so roller 2 has a small 5.2 degree wrap angle, whereas roller 3 has a 93 degree wrap angle. The WL is the length of wrap around each roller, so obviously roller 3 has a bigger wrap than roller 2, and then the total length of the web in this path. Now it's completely interactive. If I move roller 4 down, then you see that the wrap angle on roller 4 decreases and the wrap angle on roller 5 increases. Let's take it back to its original place. And if we increase the position of roller 4, then you'll see that first of all roller 5 becomes cyan colored, which warns you that this wrap angle, 4 degree wrap angle, is so small that you're going to get slippage. And if I raise roller 4 even more, then you get a red symbol showing that in fact there'd be no contact. The web would go straight from 4 to 6. Now you have some other rollers with warnings. Roller 11, which obviously has a small wrap angle, and roller 2. What about roller 12? It's got a relatively high wrap angle. Why has that got a warning? When we look, we find that roller 12 is a type 2 roller. When I go to torque and inertia, type 2 roller has a very short spin down time. It's got a very bad bearing. So when you go back, the extra torque on that bearing means that this wrap is not good enough to cause it to move. If I fix the bearing and make it like a type 0 roller, the default roller, then there's no warning and you're fine. If you've got rollers with very low wrap and you're getting scratching from slipping, obviously you can increase the tension and you therefore have enough grip. The roller's fine. Let's take it back to its original value. Now you can get a graphical view of the issues with this. This is showing you Tim Walker's traction safety factor, and you see that roller 2 has a very low traction safety factor in cyan. If I increase the tension, then the traction safety factor goes up. And also in red or green, you have the alignment safety factor. And this is saying that roller 7, because it has a very short path between 6 and 7, is going to have to be aligned much more carefully in absolute terms than roller 6 has to be with roller 5, for example. A few other things you can do. You can make, for example, roller 9 counterclockwise. So now it's spinning the opposite direction, and of course in this position there's no wrap, so I have to move it in, and now you've got wrap. Or I could even bypass roller 9 just by unselecting in the A column, and now there's no roller 9. They still keep their same absolute numbers, and you see in this case the web path will be fine without roller 9.